Hey, this is Mike from Arcade1Up. Today I'm going to show you how to build your Golden Tee machine. Step 1, you're going to use 4 wooden dowels, and part G, you're going to slide the wooden dowels into the inside holes of each side. Step 2, you're going to use 2 B screws, bottom G and panel D, and you're going to insert panel G, keeping the groove to the bottom, into side panel D. You're going to take 2 screws, Step 3, you're going to need 16 wood dowels, 2 Ks, an L, and an M. What you're going to do is you're going to take the wood dowels, slide them into the little holes. Step 4, you're going to need 4 C screws, 1 bracket F, and 4 wood dowels A, part M, and the lit marquee part B. What you're going to do is you're going to take part M with these 2 holes, line it up with the 2 holes on part B, resting part M underneath the 2 dowels to line up the holes. What you're going to do is take bracket F and screw it into the 2 holes on the back of the lit marquee part B, using 2 C screws. Then you're going to take part M, line it up with the 2 holes and the bracket, and again, 2 C screws. Now you take 4 wooden dowels and insert them into the outside holes, not the inside hole. Now you're going to take your 2 Ks, L, and lit marquee and insert them into the side panel using 1 B screw. Take your 2nd K panel, insert that into the 2 holes. Now you insert part L into the side as well. Then you're going to take your lit marquee here and attach it to the 4 holes on the side panel. Step 6, you're going to need 8 C screws and 4 bracket Fs. You're going to line up each bracket with the holes and take your C screws and secure. Now you will secure the monitor to the side panel using 4 C screws. Be sure to fit the monitor into the groove on the side panel. Next, you want to make sure the wire for the marquee is safely tucked behind part L. Next, we'll take panel H, slide it into the back groove of the lit marquee and down to the channel on the side panel. Step 9, you'll need 6 B screws and side panel E. You're going to take side panel E and line up the holes with the dowels. And you'll take your 6 B screws and insert them into the holes. Next, you're going to need 4 C screws to screw in the brackets to the side panel. Next, you'll need the logo plate and part J. Slide this, making sure it goes to the bottom, and part J. Now is where you want to remove your protective film off the LCD screen. Now we'll remove the protective film off the control deck from both sides. Now you'll take the ribbon cable, connect it to the bottom of the control deck. Then you take 4 B screws and insert them into the deck. Now you're going to take cord X and plug it into the bottom hole next to the ribbon cable. Then you take the lit marquee wire and plug it into the side hole. Now you take the ground wire from the back of the monitor and connect it to the blue part from the control deck. Now you'll take panel F, insert the cord into the back bottom hole so you hear a click, and slide it into the groove. Now you'll take 3 E screws, plug them into the back. You take your power supply Y, connect it to the back, and plug her into the wall.